Hello, the topic I want to talk about in this video is how to create a YouTube channel. I will show you step by step how to create a YouTube channel with the Gmail account. To create a Gmail account, open the Gmail application. If you already have a Gmail account, you don't need these steps. Enter Gmail application. When you get here, click on the profile picture above. Here, both those who have opened Gmail accounts and those who want to create new ones, click on Add Account or Add Another Account. Click Google. Asking for your phone's lock. Click Create Account to create Gmail account. Click for Myself. You must enter the name here. Enter your date of birth and gender here. OK, enter the Gmail name you want to create here. If don't allow it, change it to another and add it. Enter the password you want to keep. If you want to add security to your account, enter your phone number and request a verify code. If you don't want to, click Skip. If you want to save your password to Google, click Save. If you don't want to, click Not Now. Click on the profile area and find the Gmail account you just opened and enter. OK, now the Gmail account has been successfully created. Return to the home screen. To create a YouTube channel, enter the YouTube application. Click on the profile area. If you don't have any other Gmail accounts on your phone, the Gmail account you created earlier will appear here. Select your created Gmail account. Click Profile. Now, you have added a Gmail account to create a YouTube channel. Click your channel. I will add photo instead of picture. If you don't want to add it, don't add it. Click Allow. Select an image you want to add. Click Save as profile picture. In the name field, you must enter your channel name. Click Save. Click the Create Channel button. Don't worry this error. Go back to home screen and clear recent file. Try again. Enter YouTube application. Click Profile area. Click your channel. Now, using a Gmail account, creating a YouTube channel has been completed successfully. If you have gained knowledge after watching this video, please like and subscribe to the ITNet channel.